Holy shit.
I know. It hurt.
Do it hurt when I poke it?
No. You sure you want to play this game?
No.
What about it?
It was like a magic trick.
Ugly boots!
Fine. Take.
I got them both. Holy sheep shit. Why does it smell like a vacuum cleaner? You know when you take the bag off the vacuum cleaner, what that shit smell like? Yeah, that's what it smell like. Whoa. What? Do you vacuum clean your shoes?
Only every day.
You vacuum clean your shoes?
No, really. How the hell does it smell like that?
No, seriously, babe.
Oh, this one
Smell like burning vacuum.
Feet now.
Okay.
No, smell this one. It's starting to smell like feet now.
A little bit.
This one still smell like vacuum.
What does this one smell like?
I'm so confused.
What does this one smell like?
Ew.
Oh, that's bad. Babe.
What the hell?
Babe,
Oh, I gotta pee.
please. Just real quick. A real quick little one.
I can smell it through my hand.
I got to pee. I'm peeing.
Really?
You think I'm joking?
Can I have my shoe?
Is actually out.
You'll find out.
God, it was.
I didn't really pee in it. I was just messing with you.